Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, May the 7th at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so before we get into the scenarios, we have to talk about the 5 off $25 coupon, unfortunately, because it's kind of been a mess this week. Now, I did post a video on Wednesday going over some information that I found out and what I was told from corporate. So if you missed that video, please go back and watch it. I'll leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. Now, there is one more rumor that I wanted to address with you guys that I did not talk about in Wednesday's video. And one of the rumors that's been going around this week is that you cannot use manufacturer coupons with the 5 off 25. Now, yesterday I made a post about it in the community tab, kind of talking about it, showing you guys that the wording hadn't really changed. I even went back and dug up a paper 5 off 25 from 2020, and the wording on it is pretty much the same, okay, with no major changes. But in that post, I also ask y'all, if you have a coupon on your account today that says anything about manufacturer coupons, please take a screenshot of it and send it to my email. And my email is crazycoupons1@gmail.com. Now, I did receive a few screenshots, and to those people, thank you so much. That was very helpful. So on their coupons that they have on their accounts, it has the exact same wording that I have on my coupon on my account. Now, I was also sent a screenshot of a video, and I was also told to go and check out an Instagram account. Now, myself and Miss Debra Williams-Bus, we have been keeping an eye on this all week long. So what I think has happened is that at the beginning of the week, DG put out a few 5 off 25s on select accounts. And on those accounts, it did have something talking about a manufacturer coupon. But it seems like by Wednesday, they had fixed it because as you guys can see in that video, I showed you all my coupons and it didn't say anything about manufacturer coupons. So I think by Wednesday, Dollar General had already went back and fixed the wording on the coupon. So if you guys are looking at older videos, older posts, I'm pretty sure that Dollar General has fixed all of that by now. And just go into your account. If you have a 5 off 25 or a just for you coupon, make sure that you open up the details and read it word for word. And again, if you guys see anything about manufacturer coupons, please take a screenshot of it and send it to my email. Alright, so as I told you all on Wednesday, I had only received one 5 off $25 coupon on one account, and that is still true today. I checked my accounts this morning, and I still do not have any other 5 off $25 coupons that have shown up. So, if you all are in the same boat as I am, go to DG today, buy a 35-cent pack of gum, and then you're going to get a 5 off $25 coupon on the bottom of your receipt, and you can use that for Saturday. Now, I know that there are some of y'all out there who would just rather have an all-digital deal. You don't want to have to mess with any paper coupons. And if that is you, I would recommend that y'all call customer service today. I will leave the phone number in the pinned comment down below for y'all. Call customer service. Say, hey, where's the 5 off 25? Y'all had this advertised at the beginning of the week, and I was just wondering, where is it? Because it still hasn't popped up on my account. What I'm thinking is that they can send you an email with a link to add a 5 off $25 coupon to your account. Now, don't hold me to that because I'm not making any promises for Dollar General. I'm just thinking that since they did send out at least one email, I did receive one email with a link to a 5 off $25 coupon, that they can send that out to everybody, right? So, if you need a digital 5 off 25, I would go ahead and call customer service today and complain about it. Let them know, hey, I am looking for this 5 off $25 coupon and you guys have not sent it to me yet. Now, if you do have a digital 5 off $25 coupon, here's how I go about checking out whenever I do my Saturday scenarios. First, I'll verify that my subtotal is $25 or more. Keep in mind that that is before taxes. Then I'll type in my phone number and I'll wait for all of my digital coupons to apply. If I have any paper manufacturer coupons, I will hand those over last. Now, this last step is very, very important, especially this weekend, because of all the weirdness that has been going on with the digital 5 off $25 coupon. Keep in mind, if your subtotal after coupons isn't what you expect it to be, don't be afraid to void the transaction. All you have to do is ask the cashier, hey, can you void this out because this is not what I expected to pay, and I'm going to go and regroup, try to figure out what happened, and then I'll come back and I'll try again. Now, if you do that, your digital coupons will go directly back onto your account so you can still use them, and any paper coupons that you may have handed over will also still work because the transaction was never completed. If you complete the transaction and then go back and try to return the items, there's no way to get those coupons back. They've already been used. Now, if you have a paper 5 off $25 coupon, here's the order that I do whenever I check out with paper 5 off $25 coupons. So the first step is to always make sure that your subtotal is $25 or more. Keep in mind that that is before taxes. Then you want to hand over your paper receipt 5 off $25 coupon first. Next, you can hand over any other paper coupons and type in your phone number for all of your digital coupons to apply. And the reason why I put both of those in the same step is because it really doesn't matter. You can type in your phone number first and then hand over any other paper manufacturer coupons that you may have. The order right there is really not going to make a big difference. And again, if your subtotal isn't what you expect it to be, always void the transaction, regroup, and then you can go back and try again. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our 5 off $25 scenarios. First up, we have a household deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one Arm & Hammer 14-count laundry packs for $3.75, one of the Suavitel 36-count fabric softener sheets for $1.90, one of the Scott 12-count bath tissue at $5, two of the Febreze air fresheners at $6, those are $3 each, one of the Clorox 3-count dish tablets at $1 found in the dollar aisle, one of the Lysol wipes or multi-purpose cleaner for $1 also found in the dollar aisle, two of the Garnier whole blends for $7.50, those are $3.75 each, and two of the Crest or Oral-B products that are $1 each. And that is going to put your subtotal at $28.15. Now, if you can't find the Crest and Oral-B products for $1 each, don't worry about it. You do not have to include it in this scenario. I just threw those in there on the end. That way you can take advantage of the overage if you can find those items. All right, and here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 150 off one Arm & Hammer, the 50 cents off one Suavitel, the 1 off one Scott bath tissue, the 3 off 2 Febreze, 50 cents off one Clorox, 50 cents off one Lysol, 3 off 2 Garnier DG store coupon, 3 off 2 Garnier whole blends, and the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B products. Your subtotal after coupons will be $7.15 for 11 items, making each one just 65 cents each. And once you're done shopping, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app, because right now on Fetch Rewards, we have a 500-point bonus when you spend $20 on Scott toilet paper. Now, this is one of the rebates that you can work toward over time, so you don't have to spend $20 all in one transaction, but make sure that you scan those receipts in so that it will be counted toward getting this bonus. All right, next up, we kind of have a food and household deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one Nature's Own bread for $2.80, one of the Kool-Aid jammers for $2.25, two of the Lipton 64-ounce teas for $4, those are $2 each, one of the Tasty Cake single donuts for $1.50, one of the Scott bath tissue 6-count for $3, one of the Suavitel fabric softeners at $3.50, two of the Palmolive dish soaps at $3 each. Keep in mind that the Suavitel and Palmolive are on sale. Buy two and get one for free. Then you want to pick up 5 of the Crest and Oral-B products at $1 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $28.15. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 35 cent off one Nature's Own bread, the 50 cent off one Capri Sun or Kool-Aid jammers, the 1 off 2 Lipton teas, the 50 cent off one Tasty Cake products, the 1 off 1 Scott bath tissue, 50 cents off 1 Suavitel, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B, and the 5 off 3 Crest and Oral-B. Your subtotal after coupons will be $8.20 for 14 items, making each one just 58 cents each. But the deal gets even better, because right now on Ibotta, we have a 50-cent rebate back on the Lipton iced teas. So submit your receipt to Ibotta, you're going to get $1 back. That's going to make your final price $7.20 for 14 items, making each one just 51 cents each. Now, if you can find the pineapple mango Lipton teas, we have a $1 rebate back on Ibotta for those. So you could submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $2 back. That's going to make your final price $6.20 for 14 items, making each one just 44 cents each. Alright guys, next up we have a personal care deal here. So for this one you want to pick up 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoos, conditioners, or styling products priced at $3 each. One of the Garnier Fructis travel size at $1.30, one of the Right Guard Sport deodorants at $2.35, one of the Suave Women's 1.4 ounce deodorants at $1.25, one of the Axe 1.7 ounce deodorants at $2.85, one of the Schick Classic razors at $4.75, one of the Biotin mouthwashes at $4.25, one of the Maybelline eyeliners at $3.75, and 2 of the Colgate Junior toothpaste at $1 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $28.50. And here is your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 3 off 2 Garnier DG store coupon, the 3 off 2 Garnier Fructis manufacturer coupon, the 1 off 1 Right Guard deodorant, 50 cents off 1 Suave deodorant, 1 off 1 Axe deodorant, 2 off 1 Schick razors, 250 off 1 Biotin mouthwash, 2 off 1 Maybelline product, 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste, and 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste. Your subtotal after coupons will be $4.50 for 11 items, making each one just 40 cents each. And once you're done shopping, again, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app, because right now we have this bonus for 1,500 points when you spend $10 on Maybelline New York products. And again, this is one that you can work toward over time, so you don't have to spend the full $10 in one transaction. Alright guys, and last but not least, here is our low out-of-pocket deal for this week. For this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoo, conditioners, or styling products priced at $3 each. 1 of the Garnier Fructis travel size shampoos at $1.30. 1 of the Biotin mouthwash at $4.25. 2 of the Colgate Junior toothpaste priced at $1 each. 5 of the Creston Oral-B products priced at $1 each, 1 of the Scott 6-count bath tissue at $3, 1 of the Clorox 3-count dish tablets at $1, 1 of the Suavitel 36-count sheets at $1.90, 1 of the Poise 26-count liners at $3.25, 1 of the CoverGirl 2-count eyeliners at $4.50, and 3 American greeting cards at 50 cents each. And that is going to bring your subtotal to $33.70. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 3 off 2 Garnier DG store coupon, the 3 off 2 Garnier Fructis manufacturer coupon, the 250 off 1 Biotin mouthwash, 2 off 1 Colgate, another 2 off 1 Colgate, the 3 off 2 Creston Oral-B, the 5 off 3 Creston Oral-B, the 1 off 1 Scott bath tissue, 50 cents off 1 Clorox, 50 cents off 1 Suavitel, 2 off 1 Poise liners, 3 off 1 CoverGirl eye product, and the 1 off 3 American greeting cards. Your subtotal after coupons will be 20 cents for 19 items, making each item just 1 penny each. So how awesome is that, guys? Now, if you need any more ideas or if you need some items for substitutions, go back and check out the Good Deals and Glitch List video. I uploaded that on Wednesday, and there are an absolute ton of awesome deals going on at DG this week. So I'm going to leave that video linked in the pinned comment down below for y'all. Now, before y'all go, I want to talk about the overage that is going on at DG this week, because we have a ton of it. Between the Colgate, the Crest, and the Oral-B products, there is a potential for $7 in overages. Now, I didn't want to include all of those items in every single scenario, because I know it can be frustrating when you see a really awesome scenario, you go to the store, and of course, they're out of stock of the one thing that you absolutely need to make it work. So, in the scenarios for this video, I tried to give you guys some options. I didn't include the Colgate and the Crest in any other scenarios besides the low out-of-pocket deal. So hopefully, if you guys can't find the Crest and Oral-B products, you can substitute that in for the Colgate Junior toothpaste. So you can still get some overages. And if your store has stopped giving overage, I know that there's some of y'all out there who don't get overage anymore, and that's fine. You can still include these products and get them for completely free. Now, one more quick reminder, if you guys are not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I don't know what you're waiting on, because this is the easiest rebate app out there. You don't have to worry about adding anything onto your account. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt, then you're going to earn points on the products that you purchased, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. So if you're not already signed up and you want to go and check it out, my referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. And I wish each and every one of you all of the luck in the world tomorrow with your 5 off $25 scenarios. And keep in mind, if your subtotal after coupons isn't what you expect it to be, void the transaction. Don't spend a bunch of money that you didn't anticipate on spending just because some coupons didn't work. Void it, regroup, try again. And before you go, don't forget to do all of the things. Subscribe, notifications, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below, and please share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one.